Imagine a world where every real estate investment decision you make is strategic and informed, maximizing your profits while minimizing risks. We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. What if you could easily navigate the complex waters of property investment by understanding key financial figures? Today, we're diving into essential factors that can help you decide whether to fix and flip a property or keep it for rental income. Understanding these financial figures can empower your investment choices, allowing you to enhance your profitability. So, let's break down the critical components you need to consider. Number 1, the purchase price. This initial amount sets the stage for your entire financial strategy. Aiming to buy properties at about 70% of the after-repair value, minus repair costs, can provide room for renovation expenses while still allowing for profit. Number 2, repair costs. Accurately estimating what repairs will cost is crucial. Many investors face unexpected issues, so it's wise to budget an extra 10 to 20% beyond your initial estimates to cover surprises. Number 3, after repair value or ARV. This figure represents the projected market value of the property post-renovation. Using comparative market analysis can help you gauge this value accurately and ensure you're positioned well in the market. Number 4, holding costs. These ongoing expenses, including property taxes, insurance, and utilities, can add up to around 1% of the property's value each month. Understanding these costs helps you budget effectively. Number 5, time on market. The length of time your property stays on the market can significantly affect profitability. Properties that sell quickly typically incur lower holding costs and higher profit margins. Number 6, selling costs. Don't overlook these expenses, which include agent commissions and closing costs. These can reduce your profits if not planned for properly. Number 7, market trends. Staying current with market conditions is essential. Factors like interest rates and local economic conditions can greatly influence your investment decisions. Understanding the purchase price and its impact on profitability is crucial. The right purchase price allows for better returns and mitigates risks associated with unexpected costs. Knowing repair costs helps you plan effectively for renovations without falling into financial pitfalls. When it comes to holding and selling costs, understanding these ongoing expenses ensures you budget accurately and avoid financial strain. Timing your sale strategically can minimize both holding and selling costs, leading to better outcomes. Finally, if you're weighing whether to rent or sell a property, evaluating long-term financial implications is key. Rental income provides cash flow, but comes with its own set of expenses that must be carefully considered. Now that you have a clearer perspective on these vital financial figures, you can confidently approach your real estate investments with a strategic mindset. As you navigate this landscape, keep an eye on market trends and be prepared for opportunities that can arise unexpectedly. Thank you for joining me today. For more insights and opportunities in real estate investment, don't hesitate to visit GrowthSense.com. Who knows what hidden potential awaits you just around the corner?